Thank you so much for coming back to the Jim White Toyota YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect your iPhone to the Bluetooth in the beautiful new 2021 Toyota Venza. First thing first, get in the car, turn it on. Alright, so we have the car turned on. On the touchscreen here, we're going to click Menu on the left hand side. On the touchscreen, we'll hit Setup. From here, we will hit Bluetooth on the left-hand side, and this will pop up. It's asking if we want to register any devices. We will go ahead and click Yes. And then from your mobile device, you're going to go to your setups, come down here to your Bluetooth, and it's going to be looking for it. They're looking for each other. Go ahead and click on Toyota Venza. Pair. I'm going to allow so it has my contacts. And then wait a few seconds. It's going to ask you, especially with an iPhone, if you want it to have access to your text messages. See right here, it asks, so I'm going to click on the little I next to connected. I'm going to show notifications, and that is how you get your text messages to show up. And we are all connected to the Bluetooth. Thank you so much for watching. Now if you liked that video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Jim White Toyota.